I welcome you once again to Jorut Academy. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Windows desktop. We are making emphasis on Windows 10 desktop. If you are having a boring and a messy desktop, just like what you are seeing, I'm going to take you through how to organize it, make it look unique and modern. I'm going to take you through some few steps on how to make it organized. So let's start with step 1. We are going to learn how to change the wallpaper. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, but don't forget to like this video, and you can also give us your comment. With step 1, we are going to learn how to change the wallpaper. So let's go to the start button. You can click on the Windows key on the keyboard, go to settings. So under settings, you then go to personalize or personalization. So when you get to personalization, make sure on the left side, this left side background is selected. Then you go to this section here where you see background. Just click on the small arrow there beside it. Then you change it to any way you want it. You can select picture and then go to browse here and then browse through your pictures and then get any picture of your choice. Then you apply it to the background. You can also change how you want the background to be displayed. It can be a fill option. You can also use a stretch, a tile, or a center, or can span it. So any way that you want. So you can toggle with this one and then see the one which is best for you. So that's how to change the wallpaper. Now let's go to step 2. Turning on the dark mode. It's very important when you turn on your dark mode for your eyes, to protect your eyes and also make it look modern. Okay, so now let's go through that step. So whilst we are still under personalize, let's go to colors. So under colors, make sure the colors button is selected. Then you go to choose your color. Click on the small arrow just beside it, and then change to dark mode. So you can see that your theme will now change to dark. Now step 3, we are going to deal with the desktop icons. So let's go back to our desktop. At any empty space, let's right click and select view. So when select view, you're going to see options: large, medium, small. So any way that you want, you can just select. So I prefer to select the medium icon. So you just select the medium icon. You can see that the size of the icon will now be medium. There are some cases whereby you don't want your icons to also be displayed. So let me show you how to also make your icon disappear. So let's right click on the empty space and then go to view. So under view, you are going to see that show desktop icons ticked. So you just untick it, just click on it, and to untick it, you are going to see that your icons will now disappear. You can also return it back by going to the same process. Go to right click on the desktop, go to view, and then go to show desktop icons. So please, if you are enjoying this video, kindly subscribe, like this video, and you can also give us your comments. Please, this is very important to us and help us grow and also motivate us to give you more content. Okay, so now let's go to step 5, how to arrange our icons. You can see from my screen that my icons are messy, that they are poorly organized or they are poorly arranged. So if you want to arrange it, just go and then click on empty space again, go to view, and then go to make sure auto arrange icons is selected. Just click on auto arrange icons. You are going to see that it will now be arranged properly on your desktop. We are going to deal with the taskbar. So let's go to the taskbar and then let's right click on the taskbar and then select taskbar settings. So under taskbar settings, there are settings that you can change. So you can lock your taskbar. So you can make sure your taskbar, you lock your taskbar. You can turn it on or off. You can automatically hide the taskbar on the desktop mode. So you can turn it off or on. So you can, when you turn it on, so that it automatically hides. But when you hover your mouse on it, it displays. So you can turn it on or off. You can also use small buttons, taskbar buttons. So you can turn it on, then your taskbar buttons will be small. The icons there on the taskbar will be small. If you turn it off, you see that it will reverse to the normal size. You can also check the position of your taskbar here. So if you want your taskbar to be at the bottom, which is the default, you can just make sure it's at the bottom. You can turn it to the right, you can turn it to the top, or you can equally turn it to the left side, depending on how you want it to be displayed on your desktop. So I prefer to be at the bottom side. you can also check which of the icons on the taskbar you want to display. So if you want to do that, let's scroll down and then go to the notification area and then select which icon appear on the taskbar. So let's click on it, and then it says always show all icons in notification area. So you can just turn it on, so all your icons will be on the notification area. Okay, so you can also select which of them that you want to display. So if you turn it off, that means there are some of them which will be on, which some of them also will be off. So you see that with the power button, the power is on, so you can turn it off. You can see that the battery display will be off. If you turn it on, it will also come back. Okay, so you can change them. You can go through and then see which of the icons or which of the tags you want to be displayed on the icon on the taskbar. So you just go through and then select the one that you want. But if you turn it on, that means all of them on this list will be displayed on the taskbar. We can also pin your icons that you mostly use. You can see from here that some of the icons are not opened, but they are pinned on the taskbar. Something like the browser here, some of the Word document, something like the WhatsApp icon, the Telegram. So these are the icons that are normally used, so you can pin them on the taskbar. So now if you want to pin your icons on the taskbar, just go to the icon that you want to pin. So maybe let me see. Okay, so maybe I want to pin the VLC media player. I just go to the icon, right click on it, and then go through the list and select to pin to taskbar. So I just click on pin to taskbar. You're going to see that it will now be on the taskbar, even though it is not open. So it will still be on the taskbar. That is how pin apps on the taskbar. Okay, so I think that will be all for today. And please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, give us your comment. You can also share for others to also benefit, so that we meet in another lesson. Thank you for your time.